please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has parked the 737 at the gate and turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will be your only indication that it is safe to get up and move into the aisle. Gather any personal belongings you may have brought on board with you. When opening the overhead bins, please use extreme caution. Items have a tendency to shift during flight and could fall and injure you or someone around you. If you're making any flight connections or need any assistance here in Santo Domingo, there will be uniformed Delta agents greeting this flight. On behalf of your entire flight crew, we'd like to say it's been a pleasure serving you today. And when your future plans call for air travel, we hope you'll once again choose to fly Delta. Thanks and have a great day. Current local time is 2:40. Thank you.
Señores pasajeros, es un placer darles la bienvenida a Santo Domingo. La hora local es